In this video, I'm going to show you how to put error bars on your chart. So I want to click on the chart area, go up to Chart Design, and over to Add Chart Element. If I scroll down to error bars, and I'm going to put standard deviation error bars on this chart, it actually puts the exact same range of error bar on both of these columns, and that's not accurate. So what we want to do is click on it and right click and go format our error bars. So here we can see that we can format it. We want both directions for our error bars. We're going to put a cap on it because that gives a nice endpoint. And here it's saying it's standard deviation, but here we're actually going to specify a custom value. And we're going to get rid of that and this. And in the positive error bar, we're going to select the values for the aquatic and the terrestrial error bars, and then we're going to put the same values in for the negative because this is going to be above and beyond the mean and below the mean. And we click OK. And here you can see that it has actually put on different error bars. So it kind of looks like it's the same, but it actually isn't. And you could actually check that. So for example, if I was going to put in a standard error of 0.03 and say the other standard error was 1.2, and I was going to actually put in custom error bars for this and specify the different values. You can see that it really is adding the values that I indicated. But of course, that isn't what we want for this. We actually want the real standard deviations, so we're going to go back and put them in. And there is your error bars on your bar chart.